For our students, the benefits of being able to come to an international conference and international travel are immense, from managing themselves obviously through international airports, visiting countries, different cultures, but most importantly, meeting all the different students from different places as well and making those new friendships.
I've learned a lot about myself and about my own leadership style, because before I thought leadership was all about being loud and being loudest in the room, but I've learned that sometimes the importance of quiet leadership and just listening to others and then giving your opinions after is also really powerful.
I've learned how to communicate more with people and better develop my understanding. And as a quote from one of the lectures we had is that to be a strong leader, you can also have a negative impact. So to understand how to be a leader is more than just being strong and actually understanding everyone's individual settings and coordinating with them more.
So for me, this experience was like getting to know each other better, getting to know also me better, because it became a really rewarding experience, because you get to know your students, the students from other school, but you also by yourself. So it becomes like a really rewarding experience too.
First thing I remember is when we did lectures the first day, a man came in named Daniel Jones, and he gave us this great lecture about lots of tips on how to achieve things, even if it's not something like an Olympic gold medal, just achieving your personal goals.
Being a global student really helped me understand how we're all very much alike, and people from all around the world coming together is very wonderful. That's why these sort of events are very important. Meeting new people like from different perspectives with values, it's really wonderful to see.
It's been wonderful to have the students, tomorrow's leaders, here with us from all parts of the world and getting to know them and their backgrounds and their cultures.